internals of databases rather, and like as a case study, as we are working with Postgres. So when we do say, when we fire this, say for example, select star from p underscore type. Okay, okay. Let us do this pg underscore type first. Let us see the structure. Now, if you see, like this stores information about what you can call it as all types supported by Postgres. Okay, and every table that you add would be added there, and even type length is also stored. So if I write select typ name comma typ len from pg underscore type, so you can see that there is a limit associated with every what you can call it as every type. Okay, so if I sort it by order by typ name. Okay, so like these are the internal types for whom this -1 is added. So we'll not worry about them rather right now. So we are more interested in some other stuff. Okay, so you have some relations which are added. For example, if I go with say char, let us try to find char. Yeah. So this char is of size 1. Correct. Similarly, if I try to find date, date has its own storage thing. Correct. So we created exam table. Correct. So for every table relation, size would be taken as -1. Now, if you talk about int4, int2, 2 bytes, int4, int4, 4 bytes. Correct. Similarly, if we go, whenever we are referring integer, then actually you are talking about int4. Correct. If I go with say, let us see below. So let us find varchar. PQRST. So this is P. So let us first find text. TXT as type. Yeah. So this is internal thing, text. Okay, which is an internal type. So its size is not defined per se. Correct. And even we wanted to see text and varchar. Even you see varchar -1, and these are the types that we use. Now, whenever we define any table or any relation per se, no matter what the database is, or even let me say, with every programming language where you write program, you have data types associated, and every data type has its own limitations in terms of size. Okay, I mean to say storage. Okay, what would be the amount of storage that can be allocated for that particular type? Now, when we do talk about, say, particularly creating a table, say create table. So let me see if I have some tables. Okay, let me delete this. Yeah, so if I say create table X F text and integer. Fine. So if I write /d and X, if I write /ds plus and X, now you can see here. So for text, it is having something as extended. So sometimes you will be seeing same thing with respect to varchar as well. Now when I insert into X values, this is my first text added as input value for just demonstrating demonstrating the usage of text type. Correct. And then I'm giving integer. If I fire select star from X, you can see this. Correct. Now what happens if this is a paragraph? So for example, let me open browser. So suppose if I wish to add a bigger text I mean to say, for example, like this. Okay, so let us take this into gedit. So we'll try to remove few things here. So generally you must have seen whenever you have a transaction, then you add a remark kind of column. Now how exactly that remark column is to be added? So that's what thing is. So I hope this should not create any issue. So we have this added. No, software no. So we don't have anything. Fine. So now I am adding here insert into X values comma 2. Fine. Now let me add that directly there. Fine. Let us see what happens. So it permitted me, correct? Now if I try to see this record, it is showing me the thing. And so if I see slide dx or simply slide d, I can see that there is X added, correct? So similarly, select OID comma real name from PG class where real name like X. So we already saw this example like where I have created one more X, okay, for the schema, for one of the schema. Okay, so we will I assume we already talked about how to create your own schema. So right now I can see that for my X relation, which is say if I write public, if I write like this, so this is not available. So okay, X. Fine. So it must be our this record because it is recent one. Fine. So if you see /d pg underscore class rail owner table space OID. Oh, schema name is there. I hope. Rail table space. Let us take rail type 2. Okay. So select set Yeah, so we have created the ADC21. So let me drop that table. Drop table ADC21.x for our one task. So now I can see that there is only one table available. Fine. One entry available with X. So now let me add % before and after. Okay. So like there are too many, correct? But let us say and OID greater than 33,000. So you can see that this is added there. Can you see one more entry added for this table? Let me try it one more time. So let me delete this table so that I can show you this. Drop table X. Correct. Now there is nothing. Fine. Let me create a table. Create table X. We created. Then let me fire this query now. So you can see that this is my relation. Correct. And there is an entry added which is called as PG toast. And you will see that for every table there is TOAST. Now what exactly it is? I'm trying to show to you what exactly it is. So if I see, sorry. Let me remove this rel type. Now when I remove this rel type, rather, so let us see, you have now two records available. And if you carefully see, this is entry number 33167. Okay, so if let me go to other terminal, Control C, so Postgres AS cd/lib/postgresql/14 main base, and then we want at 16385 ls-ltr ls-l. So number that we have is 33167 33. So let us say star. Now see, with respect to 33163 and 33, these are the things that are created for after my relation 163, 166 and 167. We are not sure what exactly this 166 is, but ultimately there is something called as 167. Okay, which is containing something. Now we said that relation is containing X. It is because we are having this added there index. Correct? That's why the entry is shown. Now some entry is definitely there which is greater than this 33,000. So see what entry, what is that entry? 366, sorry, 163, 166 and 167. Whenever you try to take a table, okay, so let me try creating another table, and here simply let me add varchar 10. Sorry, I missed comma. So let me say x1. Now if I fire this, I can see that only x1, one entry is added there. But when I added x, which was having type as one of the column type as text. Correct. So similarly, if I try working with this as x2 in this case, and if I write here text. Okay, now let us see this again. Can you see two entries are added for x2? How exactly we relate these two entries? See the OID of x. This OID of x is added here. 33163. Similarly, 33171, 33171. Now why this is added? And if you carefully see, size of them is right now 0. 167 for a while, which was an index which was built. So that's why it is having some value. So when I try to insert some value in text. Okay, so let us insert a statement. Yeah, let me insert this. So I inserted one record there with X, correct? Now if I try to see again the size, it got me 97. But this 66, this 166, whatever the entry that we saw here, it is not getting modified. It remained as it is, correct? Let me go back to my gedit. Gedit. Oh, because we are in Postgres, that's why. Gedit. So let me paste this. Now what I will do is I will add this whole text again there. Yeah, I will cross some limit of number of bytes. Now I copied it once, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is the long record that I have. Okay, so let me select this, Control A, Control C, and let me fire that execution. Okay, so if I fire now, select star from X. You can see it is showing me the record. These are the columns. This is first record. This is my second record. And you will see here with my first record, there is some space actually considered, which was not added by me. You can see that. So now somewhere I would be getting text. Yeah, up to this, some space was added. It is because you added one record of that size. Now ultimately, if I go here on the other terminal and try to see this size, has it got changed? 66? Still no. Correct? It is not still added. Let us try doing this again. Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. I am doing this multiple times. So it is not responding. That means it is pasting it. Yeah, so I got it. So let it select because it is going beyond limits of now your editor. It is going beyond the limits of your editor. Correct. So let us wait for it until it works out the case. Now what we are trying to do here, like you might be seeing what exactly I did was I tried adding a text. Now you can see the size even number of columns that are added. See line 1, but the amount of columns or things that are taken here are more and it is not responding even if I try to click here. Right? It is not responding me because it is working on that data because it is very big because I have pasted and so on. So let me close this for a while and I will start with one more time. Gedit, sorry, again. I'm adding their data, by the way. Again, I pasted. Now suppose if I am copying this and I am going back to my PSQL window and I am pasting it there. Let me fire this again. Correct. So let us go to again this terminal and let us see whether can we see the size. Still not. Now what exactly we are trying to achieve here? We are trying to see what if your text type, because as it is a type, so it should have some limit. What if your row size crosses the limit of that size, because it is anyway type, correct? Text is a type. So we saw that there is -1, but what should be the maximum extent? At what maximum extent it can go? So if you fire here, select now, select star from X. So now your only columns are shown. Yet we are not reaching to what you can call it as data. Now your title name is there. First column name F and second column name you would be seeing now. This is your second column name N. And now your data is starting. Now think of, like, suppose you are having some column where you are going to add comments. Let me give an example. Suppose I post a photo on a Facebook or some social app. Right? What happens there? So whenever I upload photo, so those who are my friends start responding to my text. Okay, you can think of it as an implementation problem for you people. Sir. Like how can we design a better data structure for it? Now what I want you to do is, like, what are the comments that are stored or that needs to be stored? How exactly those comments are? Now if you pick an example, okay, say let me see if I can come up with some example for you. Okay, let me go to my. Okay, so I'm sharing another screen from my side on a Windows machine. Okay, can you see this? Okay, now if you see there are 78 comments added. Okay, so let us see those comments. Let us hope it will show. Yeah. So if I try to see these all comments now, okay, for the post I applied. Now if you carefully see, it should store it. Now this is one level of comments that you are adding, correct? This is one level of comments. Now if I start replying to this comment, now how those replies are only adjusted, say for example, with respect to the comment that is made by a particular person. If I try to reply to him, okay, now that reply would be available only with this person. Okay, others may be able to see because it is with this post and which was the public post. Now how exactly this kind of data is preserved there? Because you don't know, is there any limit of what should be the size of your comment? Is there any limit? Probably they may have, but up to what extent we can go? Like even on WhatsApp, you must have seen what should be the longest post that you can have. How exactly they might be storing these posts internally as an a data structure point of view. So you will be requiring some kind, definitely there should be some limit, but then what that limit should be? Who is going to define that limit? Anyway, database designer will be defining that limit, correct? Database designer, I mean to say that the person who designed the database software is supposed to give that. Now what should be that limit? If I cross a particular limit, then how exactly that data should be zipped, crunched? Okay, so there is a concept, something called as toast. So let me share that screen with you now. Yeah. So this toast is oversized attribute storage technique. Now suppose PostgreSQL, like what are the data that you have added? Now, though this specifically I am talking about Postgres perspective because this is the concept. that can be seen in other databases too, but they may have their own names. But this is a name added by Postgres. So toast, T-O-A-S-T, and that's what the name even you must have seen rather with respect to the data entry. Okay, let me quit from here. Let me, sorry, Control R, select, yeah. If you see this, can you see toast there, T-O-A-S-T? Can you see that? Toast added there. And we have, yes. Yeah, we have cleared this point that whenever you add a type of a column as a text, it is going to add this toast. So I took X1 table where I added varchar. It never added that thing. Toast was not added. Toast was added only for the column which was taken as text. Correct? For X2 and for X1. Sorry, for X and for X2. So for X, toast was added. For X2, toast was added. And this toast means what? What was the long form? Table of oversized attribute. Okay, that means it creates a relation where it applies some process. It applies some process to shrink it. So when exactly this would be applicable? Now we saw that whenever we start inserting records, like for example here, the number of records are very less in our case, correct? Let me, yeah, here. So my number of records are only 2, 3, correct? Only 2, 3 records are there. That's why it could fit into 8192 bytes. So if I say insert into X, select star from X. So I started now inserting your records. So like if I go here, is my size data size changed? You can see 163. Correct? 49152. This size got changed because my data was added. And there is an internal mechanism by it. Whenever it crosses some limit, then it is going to this, it is going to create this FSM. So this would be related to some management of files with respect to that object. Because if you cross some limit of it, like for example, if you go on inserting this, so you have now double than like it would be nearly 24 something, 24,000 something. Okay, if I write select count star from X 24576. So if I write even select rel name comma rel pages from PG class where rel name like X. So number of pages are 2731. It was because select 24576 divided by 8. So it must be then trying to write that record. Okay, it must be trying to write some values there. So though we haven't reached to that number of rel pages, which was supposed to be 3072. That means some write work is going on still on my machine. Okay, it will take some amount of time probably. The processing of my laptop, the processing light or you say LED is displayed there. It is working on it. So if I try to insert some more records again. Correct. Now if I see, you will see so those relation pages, rel pages would be updated soon. Because the insertion is happening. Because what we did was we inserted into the table. We said insert into X. One minute. I think my connection was gone. Yeah. So I am trying to insert it one more time. So the number of records are nearly 1 lakh. Okay, so if I see now you can see now number of pages are getting manipulated. Similarly, if I go to the file size, my file size got extended. But eventually I can see that like this was reached here, and these are the two new entries added there for my relation. Correct, FSM and VM. We are going to talk about it. But this 66 never got changed. It never got changed. It is still 0. So ultimately, though toast was created, but actually toast was not added for that table. So large field values are compressed and stored in a single special table called toast. Large field values, the text thing that we said. What are the text that we added earlier in the insert statement in our query? Okay, insert into. So this one. Correct. So if I fire this and if I write /e, I would be able to see this text. Okay, so if I say Control K, Control Y. So this is the whole text that I have added. So see it is getting locked. Yeah. So Control K, Control Y, Control Y, Control Y, Control Y. Sorry, I pressed somewhere Enter key, which I should not have. 1 minute. So it is getting locked. So we are talking about now reaching to that extent where it would be very difficult for it to store the record. Okay, so you may see, because even if I have 8 GB of RAM with my laptop, it is still taking some amount of time rather to really work with the operation, because my system is busy in handling that paste operation. Okay, so let me quit from here, because otherwise it would be really difficult for. Okay, so Control C, Control L. Okay, so what are the text that was added there? If it reaches to that extent, okay, and that extent is defined as 2 KB. So each toast table is associated with only one base table. An oversized column contains OID of the toast table and the OID of a tuple in the toast table and its values. So this table would be containing that data, but in your table actually. That means what it is like. Let me make use of a spreadsheet here so as to show you this. Now assume that you have say 5 records. Okay, now I'm saying 5, like I'm not saying next word. It would be 5, some million, billion kind of stuff. Okay, suppose I have that much amount of bigger data. So with respect to every column, okay, and we have taken say column type of one of the column to be text. Suppose now this is my relation, which contains these say these. There are 2 columns in my relation. Okay, and yeah, so this is my first record, this is my second record, this is third. Okay, so let us say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Now what happens is, with respect to my third row and this column whose type is text, so my column names are say X and Y. For third row, where X value is to be say example. So let us say it is 0, 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So with respect to X value to be 2, I see that it is going beyond that limit. So what happens in OID table? It stores information about that index there in toast table. So first of all, OID of this table. So suppose OID of this table is not table but row 101, 102, 103, 104. So this is assumption. I'm assuming that this is the OID. So OID of that relations. What it stores OID of this particular column along with the table OID. So table OID says 96. This is the table OID. Okay, so let us say so it is like toast something like this pg underscore toast. Okay, assume that this is OID of that table. This is OID of that row for which it is. So what happens is it stores that value here in a zipped form or compressed form. So suppose it is compressed like this. Now what happens, like this table also has an OID. So its index is 1. So what happens here in this third row, okay, whichever we are talking about, it stores that index, that 1. So whenever you fire select star from that table, so it should display X and Y column together. So value 0 associated Y value. Value 1 associated Y value. Value 2. Now associated value is very big. So it searches that here. And on what basis I gave this 1? If you see the table, these things, you have this index created 33166 and 33167. So let me show you what exactly they are. So sorry, Control R, select trail name, comma OID from PG class where OID greater than 33,000. So let us simplify this. Now if you see, this is the primary key added for it. And whatever I said as 1, it is not going to add it for every row. Okay, what I mentioned here. Suppose now your row number 9 had the same thing. Like suppose your row number 9. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8. This row number 9 again has the data. So it will have this 2. So suppose it's OID 105, 106, 107, 108. So what it will contain again? Table name. So row this OID of that row is 108. Now it's compressed value, which is beyond the limit of text type. So it is to be compressed, and that's what is done here. So if you see carefully, each toast table is associated with only one base table. An oversized column contains OID of the toast table and OID of a tuple in the toast table as its values. Correct. And this toast code would be triggered only when a row value is wider than 2 KB. 2 KB. 2 KB means how many bytes? How many bytes? 2 KB means 2 kilobytes. Yes, please. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. It's
What is 2 KB?
2048 bytes.
Okay, 2048 bytes. Now listen carefully. What we said, Postgres would be using page size of 8 KB. That's what we saw, correct? That's why we are getting 8192. Fine. Tuples are not allowed to span on multiple pages. That means what? Whenever you are storing a record, whenever you are storing a record in a page form, suppose you start saving like this. I mean to say your system. Suppose each of this is 2 KB, 2 KB, 2 KB. This third record, fourth record, fifth record, sixth record, seventh and eighth. Now you see that while storing eighth record, it is going beyond, so it doesn't store here. It goes to next block. It keeps that blank. Your record would not be splitted on different pages. Your record will never be splitted on different pages. Record, if a record is crossing 2 pages, then what? Or a 1 page. Record itself is going beyond 8 KB. Then I have to make use of this. But the triggering point added by a toast in Postgres is 2 KB. Whenever it is going or crossing that limit, then it would be adding that toast entry automatically every time. And that's what this toast table is. And you would be told, like whenever it crosses that limit, right now, whatever the record that we had, it is not going beyond that, though we are saying it is not spanning on multiple pages. Because number of records that are added by us are much more. So if I write select count star from X, number of records are very big. So they are divided into the number of pages. If I add rel pages here. It is not triggering that code yet. Because I could not go beyond that particular limit. My machine is not responding for a while. So those who are having machine probably with more than 8 GB of RAM, try this. Add a very big text there and try to see how exactly your machine responds. Are you getting this activated? Okay, so let us try saying this. So where rel name like percent toast percent. Sorry, I missed. You can see that this is the entry. So 2618 is a table for which it is going beyond that limit. So it is for that only. Yeah. What was the record? 2618. Let us try saying this. Select OID comma rel name from PG class. Where OID is 2618. So this is PG rewriter, your query rewriter. So if I try to see, select star from PG rewrite. Let us first see slide D. PG rewrite. You may say, where exactly do you see text added there? You never will see text here, but it is having a type as this PG node tree, and that is taking it at that place. So if you see even select TYP name, comma TYP len from PG underscore type, where TYP name like PG underscore node underscore tree. We don't know the size. So most of the cases wherever you see -1 added, almost, I'm not saying with all, most of them would be having this index added, which is for toast. And whenever it is going beyond some certain limit, ultimately another table entry is added. And these are the tables for which the entry was added there. 64, 69, and so on. So our entry also should be visible there somewhere. somewhere our entry is. Okay, because what was the OID of relation? This one. Yeah. Our OID is 33163. So try to find out 33163. Can you see that here? Yeah, this one. Correct? Are you with me? Now see how exactly your database engines also take care of such kind of stuff where you can think of